Hello, nice to meet you, boys and girls. This is Monk Surfer J. You can just call me J. This is the video of DJI FPV drone, which I applied on Songjong Beach, and this is S mode. There is a normal mode and sports mode on this drone. Actually, the hardest one is manual mode, but I tried with the motion controller and I switched it on sports mode, and I take this video. Looks cool, right? Yeah, you can feel speedy. Yeah, wow. If I get used to this drone, maybe I can really get really qualified video. I think so. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.